that time of year again. It's getting cold, sweatshirt weather. Let's make some 3-meat bison chili on the homestead.